Okay, it's finished downloading now. All right, so the next one we can do, we'll go to the module or the module, and you can select what language you want. So mine is English, and I'm going to come down here where it's the English version, and I'm going to go to King James Version because this is the one I like using. You can choose the New King James, you can choose the English Standard Version, whichever version you want, New International Version or New American Standard, or the New English Translation. You can choose any of this and you can download it. It's up to you. All right, and there are additional modules here if you want to download, like the Strong Concordance. I think I have that downloaded. It's different from this. I'm just showing you guys what possibilities you can do, and also you can go and do the Chinese one or the French or German. So there are a lot of them you can do here: Hebrew, Korean, Greek. You have Romania, Russia, Spanish, Swahili, Ukrainian. So there's a lot of them you can download if you want to. Okay. All right, so let's go back to the King James Version. That's the one I want to download. Click on that. So now you wait for that to download, okay? This one should be quick. Instead of me to waste your time here, I'm just going to pause it for now